Hi you guys, look, I remember I told you I was going to talk about this footstool situation here. I have made this kind of round, worked on this round one, and I haven't done the background yet. See, you can tell in the back what's been worked. And I want to fit it on this antique footstool, which is like kind of mid-19th century. It's got some nice Tunbridge inlay here. And these, like, it has the old beading on it, but these beads are glass and they're falling off all over the place. You know, sometimes these things kind of get rotten. So I wanted to show you too, I have this other pair, and this one, you know, it just kind of pops out. It's kind of old, but not as old as that other one. These are sort of more like 1960s, 70s maybe, needlepoint on them. But so the one that I have has this fun screw thing here, right? That's the nut. I need to be shorter to do this, I guess. And this. And so what I want to do, so this is the pad, that's the base. And what I want to do is fit my needlepoint over this to see how much I need to stitch. And because it's not quite enough. See, the rim, the drawn rim is up a bit. So, you know, just trying to center it and try to see where you're going to get. And I'm going to mark this at the edge. And, you know, since it's going to be covered, and we'll just kind of see, that looks pretty good. You know, since it's a circle, it could just be the same all the way around, and you just kind of measure your diameter that you get from those two. And then, you know, they'll, whatever finisher or upholsterer you take it to, they just want to make sure that the stitching, I see this used to be green, isn't that interesting? That the stitching makes it all the way under. And like this one, they put a trim on it, and these did not have a trim. So that's an interesting, you know, it's a choice. And you know, as I said, we can kind of check this out on the bottom. Like there's stitching that goes all the way down here. I need to lint brush those things apparently. So that's kind of it. These little footstools are so sweet, and you know, they look like they're not doing much because they're so short. But I'll tell you, sometimes sitting at this chess table playing chess, it's with my son, it's nice to be able to put your feet up a little bit. I'm just short enough that sometimes regular chairs feel a little high, but not short enough to fit all the way in this video. So that's it. Now we need to just decide whether I want this green or this green in the background. And yes, I'm a hoarder of old pattern and yarn, and many other things. So I hope you have, that this helps with your deciding on how to size things. And you know, you don't ever have to go inside the lines. I go bigger all the time, you know, so anyway, ask me if you have any questions in the comments.